against the ex-GRPD officer accused of shooting and killing Patrick Lyoya is moving forward.
Today, a court decided that there is enough evidence for Christopher Schurr to stand trial for murder. We have team coverage tonight. News 8's Byron Tollefson has reaction from the decision from city leaders. We'll get to him in just a moment.
We begin first with News 8's Sue Shaw. She has more details on what led to this ruling. Sue?
Well, Emily and Rick, it's taken several months, but we now know that the case against former GRPD police officer Christopher Schurr is headed to trial. Judges today ruling on the Michigan Court of Appeals 2-1 that there is enough evidence for Schurr to face murder charges for killing Patrick Lyoya. Schurr shot and killed Lyoya in April of 2022 after a traffic stop. Video shows Lyoya running from Schurr, a struggle over Schurr's taser, and then Lyoya being shot in the back of the head by Schurr. Kent County prosecutors charged Schurr with second-degree murder in June of 2022. It took nearly 5 months for the Michigan Court of Appeals to reach its decision. The facts of the case are not in dispute. Schurr shot Lyoya in the back of the head during a struggle over that taser. The question at hand for the appeals court was to decide if the shooting was justified. Schurr's team argued it was on 3 fronts, including self-defense, and asked that the case be dismissed. But in a 2-1 vote, the Court of Appeals said the issues surrounding the shooting should be decided by a jury. The court summed it up in one sentence. Because the evidence allowed for diverging inferences, the dispute has to be resolved by a jury. The defense now has 56 days to appeal this ruling to the Michigan Supreme Court, but there is no guarantee the High Court will hear this case. Emily?
Sue, thank you. While today's decision by the Michigan Court of Appeals is a big step in moving the case forward, more delays are anticipated before the case ever goes to trial. News 8's Byron Tollefson talked with those involved in the case and the greater community about what comes next. Byron?
Emily, an attorney representing former officer Christopher Schurr, tells News 8 they may appeal the court's decision to the Michigan Supreme Court. Kent County prosecutor Chris Becker tells News 8 he expects the defense to appeal that decision, which would further delay a trial as the court would take time to decide whether to even hear the case. Clee Jackson, the president of the Greater Grand Rapids branch of the NAACP, says today's decision is an important step forward, and the community has been waiting for this for a long time. If the defense appeals to the Michigan Supreme Court, Jackson urges the court to move as soon as possible, saying the Lyoya family has waited long enough and deserves their day in court.
These types of cases can take time. But I think that I'm hopeful that at this juncture, we can move this forward, right? And that the judicial system will see that a lot of this, again, is a strategy in terms of extending and providing the officer more time as a free man.
Meanwhile, the former officer's attorney continues to argue the case shouldn't go to trial, telling News 8 he disagrees with the court's ruling today because he says the officer's use of force was justified. We'll have more reaction at 5 and 6.
We will continue to bring you coverage and reaction to today's ruling throughout the day on News 8 and at WoodTV.com.